Okay, first video of Matt installing the seat alarm so people don't steal the bike
alarm.
or the bike alarm, whatever. Goes under the seat.
It is a nice seat.
Connect the blue wire to the red wire and then...
Man, I'm really stupid.
And let's just marvel at its beauty.
Talking about me still?
No. Also, nice car in the background. So how long is this going to take?
The alarm installation?
Yes.
If we do the kind of more basic setup, it should be only about 30 minutes.
Oh, wow.
So
sounds really complicated.
Basic and installation. Yeah, no, pretty much attach the wiring for this, and then it does if it's being jump started, it does its detection from just detecting out of this. Right, as far as I know. We may have to edit that out later because I might be totally wrong.
Alright.
Antenna wire.
No, this is me. Probably edit that out too. Florida.com